So I had a patient today, came in, they were told they had to have a total shoulder replacement. Interesting. The problem is that they had a tear in their rotator cuff. Now, when you have a total shoulder replacement, that's certainly not going to fix your rotator cuff tear. Total shoulder replacement sounds like a bionic arm, $6 million man. But all it is they're sawing off the ball, coring out the socket, they're removing the bone where the hard cartilage that covers the bone has been compromised. And when they do that, your pain stops because the nerve endings live in the bone. That's how shoulder replacement fixes your pain. That would be arthritis. They don't fix the rotator cuff. They don't fix your tear, which is why you're having your surgery, theoretically. No, that will be arthroscopy. Arthroscopy is how you treat rotator cuff tears. But when you have an injury, years ago, you create instability in the joint, and that little ball and socket is a little loose. And when it is loose, just like a ball joint on a car, it wears faster. And this hard enamel cartilage that protects your bone is being beaten up a little faster than it can heal. So you get cavities, little pits. It's called chondromalacia. Chondromalacia means cavities in your hard cartilage on the end of your bone. It's the same stuff you see on chicken bone. Yeah, the hard white stuff on a raw chicken bone. That's what's on the ends of all our bones. It's interesting.